Hey guys, so it's really easy to copy and paste your old miniature train files as a base for you to start with in your Trick My Train project. So here's what it would look like. You find on your desktop your PLTW engineering folder. Within there you probably have something that looks kind of like that. You go to your IED and you see all of your stuff, right? Your folder eventually has most of these or something pretty similar to it. You should have been saving all of your part files, your drawing files in a folder that's called Miniature Train. So when you open it up, it should look something like this. And they should be all labeled properly so that you can tell without even having to open up each file what you're going to see when you actually do open that up. Okay, so if I go back out of that folder, I've already got another folder set up for Trick My Train. If you haven't already set one of those up, you should do that first, and all you do is right click, go to new, go to folder, and it'll allow you to create a folder that way. Now I don't actually have to, I can type in a name for that folder if you want. I'm not actually going to do that. In fact, I want a new folder. I'm going to delete mine because I've already got one set up for Trick My Train. What I want to have happen is take all the files out of here and copy them and put them in here. I don't want to delete them. I want to still have them in Miniature Train, but I also want a copy of them over here. So here's what I'm going to do. I'll go into Miniature Train. I can left click down here and drag up to highlight all of them, or I could just press Control A. That'll also highlight them. Once you've got all of them highlighted, you can right click and copy, or you could also press Control C, and then you go back out of that folder into your Trick My Train folder, and here's where you right click to paste, or you could have pressed Control V at that point as well. Either way, you now have essentially two folders that have the exact same stuff in it. Miniature Train has all those items in there still. There they are. And those exact same items are in Trick My Train. We're going to change some of these now, but that's how you get that folder set up and ready to move forward with your Trick My Train project.